The Honda ADV 160 returns for the 2025 model year with a series of significant upgrades, solidifying its position as a practical, versatile, and adventurous scooter. The latest iteration introduces a larger and more advanced engine, refined ergonomics, and a host of modern features that cater to both urban commuters and off-road enthusiasts. One of the standout updates in the 2025 Honda ADV 160 is the adoption of the enhanced ESP Plus engine, which increases displacement from 149.3 cubic centimeters to 156 cubic centimeters. This advanced power plant, already proven in the Honda PCX lineup since 2023, delivers a notable performance boost. The engine now produces 16 horsepower, up from 13.2 horsepower, and 1.46 kgfm of torque, ensuring a more dynamic riding experience. Key innovations in the engine design include reduced internal friction for greater energy efficiency and adherence to the Promot 5 emissions standard. The addition of a stop/start system enhances fuel economy and minimizes environmental impact. Honda's HSTC, Honda Selectable Torque Control, further elevates safety and stability, offering traction management on slippery surfaces with the option to deactivate the system manually. To complement the increased power output, the CVT automatic transmission has been recalibrated for smoother operation. The 2025 ADV 160 features a redesigned chassis and upgraded suspension system, tailored for both comfort and stability across diverse terrains. The front suspension maintains 130 millimeters of travel, while the rear suspension now provides 110 millimeters of travel with improved shock absorbers. These enhancements ensure a smoother ride, whether navigating city streets or venturing onto rugged paths. Honda has seamlessly blended aesthetics with practicality in the ADV 160's updated design. The adjustable windshield has been enlarged to offer better wind protection, making long rides more comfortable. The advanced LCD panel now includes additional data displays, such as a tachometer, average and instantaneous fuel consumption, fuel level, and system alerts for HSTC and ABS. The seat design has been optimized to be narrower and lower, making it easier for riders to touch the ground. Under-seat storage has been expanded to 29 liters, accommodating a full-face helmet and other essentials. Additional convenience features include a glove box with a USB charging socket, a keyless entry system with an anti-theft alarm, and full LED lighting. Safety remains a priority with the ADV 160's braking system. It features a 240 mm front disc and a 220 mm rear disc, paired with single-channel ABS for reliable stopping power. Ergonomic improvements ensure comfort for both rider and passenger, making it an ideal choice for longer journeys. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 is priced at 24,534 Brazilian reals or approximately $4,020.58, base price in São Paulo/SP, excluding shipping. It comes with a 3-year warranty and complimentary oil changes for 7 scheduled services. Customers can choose between 2 striking color options, pearlescent red and metallic gray. With its upgraded engine, advanced safety systems, and rider-focused design, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 offers a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and practicality. Whether tackling daily commutes or exploring off-road trails, this scooter delivers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. Honda's commitment to innovation and quality ensures that the ADV 160 remains a top contender in the adventure scooter segment.